Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour.
Today is a very special day.
Today is day 5 of our Shadowing English Speaking Challenge.
First of all, congratulations. If you have completed all 5 days, you should feel very proud of yourself.
5 days ago, you started this journey. You listened, you repeated, you practiced, and most importantly, you kept going. That is something worth celebrating.
Many people want to speak English confidently. Many people dream about becoming fluent, but not everyone takes action. You did.
And every day you practiced, you became a little stronger. You may not notice all the changes yet, but your brain notices. Your ears notice. Your voice notices.
Every sentence you have spoken during this challenge has helped you grow. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It is built one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time, one practice session at a time.
Today, we will continue with our challenge with positive and encouraging sentences. These sentences will help you celebrate your progress and look forward to the future. As always, listen carefully, then repeat after me.
Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and flow. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and enjoy every sentence.
You can pause and repeat any time if you need more practice. This is your time and your space to learn and improve.
Ready? Let's begin.
Sentence 1. I am proud of myself for participating in this challenge. I am proud of myself for participating in this challenge. I am proud of myself for participating in this challenge. Sentence 2. I have learned something new every day. I have learned something new every day. I have learned something new every day. Sentence 3. I feel more confident speaking English now. I feel more confident speaking English now. I feel more confident speaking English now. Wonderful. Sentence 4. Every day of practice has helped me improve. Every day of practice has helped me improve. Every day of practice has helped me improve. Excellent. Sentence 5. I am becoming a stronger English speaker. I am becoming a stronger English speaker. I am becoming a stronger English speaker. Great job. Sentence 6. I enjoy learning and speaking English. I enjoy learning and speaking English. I enjoy learning and speaking English. Fantastic. Sentence 7. I can communicate better than before. I can communicate better than before. I can communicate better than before. Excellent work. Sentence 8. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. Sentence 9. I am building a bright future with English. I am building a bright future with English. I am building a bright future with English. Excellent. Sentence 10. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed.
Wonderful. You have completed the first 10 sentences. Remember, you can pause and repeat if you need more time to practice.
Take a deep breath. Smile. And let's continue together. Sentence 11. I learn something valuable every time I practice. I learn something valuable every time I practice. I learn something valuable every time I practice. Sentence 12. I stay patient with myself as I learn. I stay patient with myself as I learn. I stay patient with myself as I learn. Sentence 13. I am not afraid to make mistakes anymore. I am not afraid to make mistakes anymore. I am not afraid to make mistakes anymore. Sentence 14. Every mistake helps me become better. Every mistake helps me become better. Every mistake helps me become better. Sentence 15. I enjoy speaking English a little more each day. I enjoy speaking English a little more each day. I enjoy speaking English a little more each day. Sentence 16. I am creating strong habits for success. I am creating strong habits for success. I am creating strong habits for success. Sentence 17. I can continue improving every day. I can continue improving every day. I can continue improving every day. Sentence 18. I am ready for new English challenges. I am ready for new English challenges. I am ready for new English challenges. Sentence 19. I am excited about my English future. I am excited about my English future. I am excited about my English future. Sentence 20. I will keep practicing and keep growing. I will keep practicing and keep growing. I will keep practicing and keep growing.
Fantastic. You have completed all 20 sentences. And more importantly, you have completed all 5 days of the English Tour Shadowing Challenge.
That is an amazing achievement. Take a moment to think about how far you have come. 5 days ago, you started with a simple goal.
Today, you have completed 5 days of listening, speaking, and practice. That is real progress.
Maybe your pronunciation is a little better. Maybe your confidence is a little stronger. Maybe speaking English feels a little more natural. Those small improvements matter.
Because small improvements become big improvements over time. Remember, this is not the end of your journey.
This is only the beginning. English is a skill, and every skill grows with practice.
Keep listening, keep speaking, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself.
Whenever you need extra practice, come back to these lessons. Repeat the sentences again. Challenge yourself again. Build your confidence again. You have already proven that you can do it.
Before we finish, we want you to say one final sentence with me.
Listen carefully. I can learn English, and I will never give up. I can learn English, and I will never give up. I can learn English, and I will never give up.
Excellent. Thank you for joining me for this shadowing challenge on English Tour. I am proud of the effort you have made.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking English every day.
And remember, your English journey is just beginning. Thank you for learning with English Tour. I will see you tomorrow for day 6.
Bye for now.